thought I'd start out a vlog. I think I'm just gonna constant vlog. And yeah, I should have some fun this weekend, so I feel like I'm just gonna start vlogging and hopefully just like capture the fun moments for you all. Out, it says it'll dissolve, so I'll let you guys know. I'm a little skeptical, but this will be my second time going, and I think I'm kind of hooked to getting gel. It's really nice to have them done, and when they last for so long. I was trying to do gel at home, but I can't figure out how to get them to hit like when they're done, because these have been on for like 3 weeks. Except for this one, did not make it, but a long time. Okay, update. I had to order new pans. I had the Always pan from our place, which a lot of people ask me about. Unfortunately, I think it's a combination of a few things. The other day I accidentally left Isabel's, the tan one I had was Isabel's that I've just had since she hasn't been living here. I left it on the stove the other day and forgot about it and just absolutely charred the shit out of it. And then my other, the pink one that was mine, has been like kind of going for a while, where it like stopped really being like that non-stick. And then when I moved to this apartment, this stove is the worst stove I've ever had in my entire life. It's an electric stove. It just is really old. It just also in itself, I think, is a big reason why those pans started deteriorating, because it just like keeps burning every cute. I love their stickers. Anyhow, I also have a lot of cookware from Great Jones, and I really like their cookware as well. Yeah, so I decided to try out their non-stick set, because you can get the two, like I got the small and the large one, and I think for both of them it's like around the same price as the Always pan. I just thought I'd try out a different brand, see like what the comparison was really like. So I'm really excited for these. I'm gonna take care of them like they are my children. Yeah, it makes me sad to ruin things, like just gives me anxiety. Like wasting food and like ruining big purchases like this are just, yeah, it sucks. But she's beautiful. Look at her hitting off the light. I do get a lot of questions about the Always pan. It's hard for me to say because I honestly am unsure how much of it was my own carelessness. So yeah, that's my hard review. Hailey Bieber had these, so I bought them. I don't even have an affinity for her, but they were in a video and they are pretty cute.
I do. Are you filming this conversation?
So I'm making hummus. I've just been winging it, which is cool, and I've been tasting it as I go, and it's coming out pretty good. I just did a can of chickpeas and a can of white like cannellini beans, because I feel like cannellini beans make it a little creamier. Tahini, olive oil, garlic, salt, pepper, lemon juice, a lot of lemon, and dill, because I'm trying to imitate the lemon dill hummus from Ithaca Hummus, because that hummus is my favorite. It's so good, and if I can make it at home in a bigger batch, I will be so stoked. So gonna give this a blend. I got lost for a bit, but this, I made a lot. It's so good. Probably one of the better hummuses I've ever made at home, and I'm very excited about it. I will leave a rough recipe somewhere. Okay, I'm having a little chill night in for myself. I feel like I just want to chill very hard tonight. And I've also been cooking dinner early, so it's like 6 maybe. I'm excited. Today's video in collab with Green Chef, my boo. This is one of my all-time faves, so I'm gonna make that for dinner. I started watching The Circle. We're gonna watch that. Maybe I'll do a hair mask for my dry hair. We're gonna eat this delicious dinner. Yeah. Okay, if you haven't heard of Green Chef yet, they are a USDA certified organic company. Their meal kits cater to a wide variety of diets. They have paleo, keto, vegetarian, vegan. I always get their vegan boxes. I think their plant-based meals are so yummy, and they knock it out of the park every time. I think it's a really easy way to integrate more plant-based meals if you are looking to do so and just get the footing at home. I think it's nice. It takes out all of the planning, grocery shopping, and they're super easy to prep, usually like 30 minutes or less. So it's great if you're also working on a tight schedule and want to have dinner for your nights already all set up. They're always so good. They include a wide variety of organic ingredients. Their sauces are everything. Their sauces are so good and would be so hard to replicate at home. I always like having them in my fridge as a nice treat to myself. Check them out if you're interested. You can go to greenchef.us/90whereilive and use the code 90whereilive to get $90 off, including free shipping on the first box. I think it's so cute. It says Ithaca is gorgeous. Baggy pants, a little top. Do I wear this every day? Yes, I do. I don't want to hear about it, okay? Going to meet up with Cody. It's Friday. I haven't seen him in a while, so yeah, we're gonna go get some tacos for lunch. I'm gonna bike there, and I'll take you along.
Little cannon, right? Sony. My little Sony point and shoot.
Oh,
are you
yeah.
a now?
Oh yeah, do you use that for shoots? Sabrina's hoodie day out. It was so... What?
It looks like I know. I guess
That's a good zoom.
This guy's little finger.
With our half-eaten food. Like we couldn't have done this with the food was still out.
Just little lettuces left. Hey y'all, we out here.
It's Jenny's first brunch in a long time.
We out here in the bayou.
Ooh, things look bad. So let me pick some. Let me go in here. Oh.
Like a good cheese.
Me this morning, I was like, I'm just gonna like do work all day, and that's it.
We got what? We got bread. Hey guys, I have a busy day today, so I thought I would vlog. I've been out and about. I've been doing some nice downtime, but equal uptime, which has been fun. Sabrina and I were gonna go to Long Island today, but we decided not to. She's coming here right now. I just uploaded a video I'm excited about. I put on an outfit. I can't even tell if I like it yet, but I think I'm gonna keep it on. It's this vintage Wrangler little top I bought recently off of Object Limited. Real pants. Trying not to wear denim so much, so this is my effort at it. I'm gonna go see Elena, and then later I'm gonna get drinks with my friend Mian, so it's a big day for us. Vlog, I came up with this really good outfit all on my own.
Oh my god!
Isn't it so cute how I paired polka dots with the stripes? Like, I thought maybe I'd do a double stripe, but instead I was like, you know, it would look really good. Polka dots. And I was right. Apartment tour. I'm gonna blur it all out. Ooh, look at this light.
Oh, she cute.
Guys, tell me I'm cute today.
She's cute. Sweet Angel is cute. Or I'm the Sweet Angel. Are you the Sweet Angel or am I the Sweet Angel? So you always start your videos with hello, Sweet Angels.
Hi, my sweet angels.
That's so cute.
You're the sweet angel. I started saying it because I called my friends that for years.
Yeah.
It just came out.
It's just natural.
And then it just came out in a video. And
Raw,
I was like,
real.
I guess we'll stick.
Yeah.
Yo.
Boop.
For the content.
Tell us what videos you want to see from us.
What collab do you want? Tell us the truth. Would you like me doing
Spilling the
Elena's
tea.
routine for a day? Because that's what I want.
Should we get her at F45, guys?
Yeah, I want Elena to teach me how to be a grown adult.
Oh my god, as if I know. That's perfect. Thank you.
Yes.
I'm doing the hair mask I never got to do because I need it. I just wanted to say goodbye. I'll miss you until next time. Check out Green Chef if you want to. You can go to greenchef.us/90 where I live. Use the code 90 where I live to get $90 off, including free shipping on your first box. Illy, thanks for being here. See you in the next one.